Welcome to your yoga practice. Today I will guide you through a gentle sequence that's great at really any time of the day. It will get your body moving, get it feeling good and at ease. We'll begin in a seated position. As you inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, elongating the body. And then exhale, turn to the right, left hand on the knee, right fingertips behind you, and gaze back over the right shoulder. Inhale, return through the center. Again, elongating, and then exhale, turn to the left. Inhale, middle. And exhale to the right. Inhale, middle. And exhale to the left. One more round, inhale, middle. And exhale to the right, and this time stay here. And if you have room, you could reach that right hand behind you a little bit farther and grab your left thigh. Inhale, return through the center, reaching the arms up to the sky, and then exhale, turn to the left. And again, either stay with that hand supporting you behind your back, or reach for the thigh. And then inhale, come back to the center, reaching the arms up. And then exhale, release. And then come to all fours position on your hands and on your knees. Slowly warming up your spine with cat and cow movements. As you inhale, arch the spine, lift the chin up, and then exhale, push away from the floor, dome the back, chin to your chest. And then continue finding a rhythm that works for you. One more round. And then come to neutral position. Step the right foot out to the side. Inhale, extend the right arm up. And hold. Now with the next exhale, start threading the right arm through, bringing the shoulder to the ground, and then extend the left arm to the front of the mat. Or alternatively, you can bring it behind your back and grab your right thigh. And then release the left hand back to the floor. Inhale, return to the center, reaching the right arm up. And exhale, release the right hand to the floor and then swing the right leg all the way back behind you and off the mat to the left side. Then walk your hands a little bit to the left as well and then press back for the right heel and then look towards your right foot. And then release, walking the hands back to the middle, then bend the right knee, bringing the crossing the legs, and then slowly from here start sitting the hips back towards the heels for this variation of child's pose. And then inhale, come back up, returning to all fours position. Then step the left foot out to the side. As you inhale, extend the left arm up, hold it here. Now with the next exhale, thread the left arm through, bringing the shoulder to the mat. And then the right arm stretches forward, or you can reach behind your back for the thigh. And then release, right hand in position. Inhale, extend the left arm up. And then exhale, bring the hands to the floor and then swing that left leg behind you, stepping the foot off the mat to the right side. Then walk the hands a little to the right too and then gaze back towards your left foot. Keep pressing back for the left heel. And then walk the hands back to the center. Then bend your left knee, crossing the legs, and slowly come to that variation of child's pose, sitting the hips back towards the heels. Inhale, come back to the center, to all fours position. Then spread the knees wide apart, bring the big toes together, and then set the hips all the way down for that regular child's pose. Stretch the arms forward, and bend the elbows. Press the palms together, fingers pointing to the sky, and then lower the forehead down, and breathe into this shape. And then release. And as you inhale, start coming up to sitting and bring the knees together. And then tuck your toes under and sit back onto your heels. If this is not comfortable, you could just point the toes and sit back on your heels instead. Or you could start with the toes tucked under and at any point switch to toes pointed. And then as you inhale, reach the arms out to a T-shaped position. Exhale, arms forward, right arm under, bend the elbows, clasp the hands together for eagle arms. Then elevate the elbows, take the forearms away from your face, and breathe. Inhale, reach the arms out to the sides. And then exhale, left arm under, so switching. Bind, lift the elbows, forearms away from the nose. Inhale, reach the arms out. And then exhale, release, untuck your toes, point them, and then sit back on your heels. And then swing the hips over to the right side, so sitting to the right side of your heels. As you inhale, extend the right arm up, and then exhale, lean over to the left, and stay. And then inhale, come back to the center. Sitting the hips over to the left side of your heels. Inhale, reach the left arm up. And then exhale, lean to the right. And then inhale back through the center. And then bring the legs forward with the soles of your feet together and heels away from the groin. So a good chunk of space here between the groin and the heels. Inhale as you prepare. And then exhale, curl in, forehead towards your heels. Let yourself relax into this shape and breathe. Inhale, come up. And then exhale, release. And you're welcome to rest a few moments in Shavasana if you'd like to do that. And I'll leave you to it. Thanks so much for tuning in for this gentle yoga class. I hope it felt amazing in your body, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in another class.